Hello friends, today we are going to prepare authentic Hyderabadi red chicken curry. The ingredients for this recipe are apple cider vinegar 1 tablespoon, red food coloring 1/4 teaspoon, chicken drumsticks or wings half a kg, ginger garlic paste 1 tablespoon, tomato ketchup 1 tablespoon, green chili sauce 2 teaspoon, lemon juice 1 teaspoon optional, heavy cream 2 teaspoon, crushed fried onions 2. Bunch of chopped cilantro, salt as per taste, red chili powder 2 teaspoon, cardamom 4 to 5 grinded, almonds half a cup, charoli 1 tablespoon, allspice powder 1 teaspoon, cooking oil half a cup, yogurt 2 tablespoon, caraway seeds 1 teaspoon. From clockwise, it's fried onions, green chili sauce, ketchup and red chili powder. 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, few strands of saffron, 1/4 teaspoon of red food coloring, half a cup of cooking oil, 2 tablespoons of yogurt, 1/4 cup of ginger garlic paste, half a cup of almonds and 1 tablespoon of charoli. Heat a pan and roast them. Once it's light brown in color, set it aside to cool it down. Once the nuts have cooled down, blend it in the blender to a fine powder. Wash the chicken in hot water twice. Let's begin by adding the ingredients to the chicken for the marination. We add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, red food coloring, fried onions, ketchup, green chili sauce, saffron threads. Add in the fine powder of the nuts and yogurt to the marination and mix well. Heat a deep saucepan and add the cooking oil to it. Once it's heated, add the marinated chicken to the pot. Mix well and let it cook on medium flame. When the oil floats on top of the curry, you need to add in the cream and mix well. Garnish with chopped cilantro and your curry is ready to serve. It goes really well with tandoori naan or white rice.